Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro PRIMASTAR Sport 29001.6 CDTI-BT, 120, SEC L2H1 Spares OR Repairs Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 147461. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO SE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat S in 2019. Click the